Pre-Ks, welcome back to Monday Reading Group number 2. This is our story about Kitty the cat. We finished Max the dog. Now our books are all about Kitty the cat. Let's take a look and see what Kitty's doing today. Eyes up here on the title. Read with Kathy. A box for Kitty. A box for Kitty. Let's take a look at the first picture. Kitty sees a box. Now let's take a look for that ending. We know the word see. Put a ring around that S. That S is one of the many endings that you have for a root word. The root word is see. You can put lots of different endings on it. We know that the ending for a word could be I-N-G. The ending of a word can be E-R. It can be E-D. It can be as simple as the S, or sometimes even the Y can be an ending. Today we're looking for endings. Look at picture number 2. She. Oh, there's that pronoun. Put a line under she. Instead of writing that big word kitty, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, she is a lot easier to write. Remember those pronouns for a girl, she, her, and hers, take the place of that noun. Let's put a ring around the S for jumps. She jumps in. We know the root word jump. By putting an S, it becomes jumps. She jumps in. Let's go to the next picture. Kitty tries to play. It is too small. There's another S there for the word try. Try is a word with an ending S. Kitty tries to play. Put a box around T-O-O. That's a different way to write the word to. We spell to T-O when we're using the word to in a sentence like this. I am going to the store. To can be used that way. Or we can use T-W-O. It sounds exactly the same. My cousin is 2 years old. This 2 is the number 2. And then the last 2 is T-O-O. It sounds the same, but it looks different. That means also or very. I am going to the store too. I'm going also. Or that is too big, very big, too small. There's 3 different forms of the word to. And let's go to the last picture and see what Kitty's doing. What can Kitty do here? Kitty can sleep. Oh, I see that question mark. Put a ring around it. So we're looking for the question word. Remember, question words begin with WH, what, where, when, why, who, or the letter H, how, or the letter C, can, or the letter D, do. I see a WH word. There it is. Put a ring around that WH and connect it to that question mark sign. That is our question word. What? What can Kitty do here? Now it's your turn to read. Put your pointer up. Let's slide, glide, and read. The title says, A box for Kitty. Pointer up. Look at box number 1. Kitty sees a box. Pointer up. Box number 2. She jumps in. Pointer up. Box number 3. Kitty tries to play. It is too small. Pointer up. Slide, glide, and read. What can Kitty do here? Question mark. Kitty can sleep. Answer. Let's take one more look at our text today and see that there are some action words. Action words are called verbs. A verb means something is going on, some kind of action. In the first sentence, Kitty sees a box. What does Kitty do? Kitty sees. Put a box around sees. That is our action word in sentence number 1. With action words, we can usually easily add the endings. Take the word see. Seeing, seer, saw, sees are all endings, and sometimes see. Those are all endings for our action verb see. Let's look at line number 2. Sentence number 2, the action word is jumps. What does Kitty do? She jumps. Let's add those endings to our action verb jump. Jumping, jumper, jumped. He jumped yesterday. He jumps, and he's kind of jumpy. Those are all endings for our action word jump. Let's look at sentence number 3. Try. Our action word is try and play. Let's see if we can put endings on play. Playing, player, played, plays. Those are all endings we can add to the verbs. And the last one, in the last paragraph, what can Kitty do here? She can sleep. Let's put that action word sleep. She can sleep is a good action word. Let's add the ending. Sleeping. She's a sleeper. Slept, sleeps, or sleepy. Those verbs allow you to add the endings. Good jobs, pre-Ks. Let's go to the second page, thinking about the story. We're starting to read directions. Direction begins with a D. Circle, that's often in the directions. Circle the answer to each question about the story. Okay, we can do that. Question number 1 says, what? There's that WH question word. What does Kitty find? There's a question mark. What does she find? A bag? A fox? Or a box? What do you think? You got it correct. She found a box. If you can't remember, you can always go back to the story and take a look at the pictures again. Question number 2 says, what does Kitty do at the end of the story? Does she play, sleep, or jump? What do you think, pre-Ks? Sleep. Good job. She falls asleep in the box. The next direction says fill in the circles. Oh, I see the circles. Fill in the circles below the pictures that rhyme. Okay, we have box, lock, comb, and fox. Box, lock, comb, and fox. What do you think? Fill in box, fill in fox, and fill in lock. Very good rhyming words today. The next one says, directions, draw a picture of something Kitty can do when she wakes up. I'll leave that up to you to do. See you later, pre-Ks. Good work today.